What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're going steelhead fishing today. I'm gonna give Aiden a call here. He's supposed to meet me down where we're going here, so I'm gonna give him a buzz, see if he answers, see what's going on.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Where you at? What time you looking at?
I gotta take my dog for a walk here.
Okay, I'm already there, so.
Oh, you are? Okay, I'll try to hurry. I already have all my stuff packed.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, see ya.
I bet.
Bye.
Alright, well, Aiden's about to walk his dog, I guess, and I guess let's hope to get on some Mondo Steelies. I know they're running. We caught a couple a few days ago. We weren't filming, sadly. Didn't know if they were in there yet, but now that we know they're in there, we're gonna bring the camera everywhere we go. So stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy.
We got the worms, we got the sacks. We're gonna go get some chromers.
Let's go, baby.
Look at these. Guys, look at these. I harvest these. It rained a couple nights ago, it got real warm. Big crawlers right in my yard. If you guys haven't already, now I'm not gonna be able to close this. After a rain in the summer or spring on a warm night, check your grass. There'll be night crawlers at nighttime right around 9-10 o'clock, and they'll sit right above the grass. You can just within a matter of 20 minutes you can get maybe 24 worms. Easy way to save money and catch fish. All right, let's get going.
We are locked and loaded, folks. Got like 30 rods up in here.
I'm going John B style today.
About to hop on the highway here. Let's go. What's going on, folks? We're just we're fishing from the car here.
We're fishing out of the car
For some carp.
for some carp or whatever wants to bite on my worm here. It's pretty cold out, so I got the rod through the sunroof. We actually need to do this for burbot.
Yeah, this
Here, hold this.
if this works, bro, just hook up in here.
I'm gonna rig up my other rod with a worm on it too.
Fishing out of the car, baby. If I get a bite here, I'm gonna have to somehow set the hook. Those people are looking at us like we're like a kook. They're like, they're fishing out of their car. Come on now. This is fun. Just lay back a little bit, you know. Check me out, bro. I'm taking a nap. Hey. That was actually an accident. Do you know what I did with it? Oh, it's right here. Bet. This is hilarious.
Reel up that slack.
There is no slack. Fishing out the car, boys. Hold up. Got another one coming in? We got a nice rod now, baby. These people probably think we're like so stupid.
This is hilarious.
I need to bump some tunes.
If I get one on this, it's gonna be hilarious.
If we get one on any of these rods, it's gonna be hilarious.
Just feel for the bite, baby.
Oh yeah. Look at this dude. Look at him. Look at him. That you've never seen this before.
If I want to put more weight on it, it's drifting over all.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Oh, I gotta put more weight on it. Buddy's not happy.
No. Literally had it right up against that wall.
I know, I saw you almost hit it.
Imagine if I hit that shit. Boom! Dong!
We can do so much shit important and get away with it because nobody cares.
Yeah.
Their reactions are priceless. What's up?
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Check it out. Fishing from the car. We're going for some carp. No, look at these guys right here. We're catching a bunch of carp. So we came over and stole their spot with our car. You know this is funny. Why are you trying not to laugh? Look at him.
Only a little funny.
It's a Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
We gotta not tell people so then we can just walk.
Just clothesline their ass.
Yeah. Someone's gonna come walking through here again. We gotta film it. We gotta be like, text Jake and see if we got anything.
Jake Liker. FaceTime.
I think he had a fish on or something.
Hello?
What's up, buddy? Well, we're fishing out of the car. We're carp fishing.
What the f you carp fishing for?
I don't know. This guy caught like 20 in like 5 minutes.
Oh, it's still dumb.
Bro, go on the FaceTime here. I'll show you. Bro, I'm about to recast. Oh,
Fish on.
oh, ripping.
Fish on. Flag.
Dude, this is a big one.
Oh shit, my dude. All these ducks are gonna swim right through your line, dude.
I think I got a duck. It's warm in here. And then she's gonna walk right through my line, watch. This lady right here, watch. She's about to walk right through it. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh, I called that too. That's a big rod, Aiden.
Gotta get some people here.
Here. Did the lady walk right into my line?
Or when they hook up, I cast to a different spot.
I said, watch out, lady. She walks right into that. I got moving quick. We got that on camera too.
She didn't even see that shit.
No, because I had it like this. I had my bail open and I went like this. The shit went underneath her chin, bro. Went. Damn, we gotta go. But I don't want
in the
to.
back seat, bro. Look at.
I know. I didn't notice that. Ugly as hell.
Is that her mom, bro?
She's picking her nose. Oh, she's ugly.
I know.